Hey guys, wagwan, what's up? Welcome back to another video. If you're new, welcome to the squad, and if you're returning, thank you guys so much. Welcome again. So today guys, we'll be doing a DIY acrylic powder. I've been seeing so many videos on YouTube and I wanted to try this out for myself. So these are Mica powders. I ordered them on AlieExpress and I hope you guys will enjoy this video. So let's get into it. I'm going to choose colors at random and we'll see what happens. So I chose this copper color. This is copper, and they all of them have this pearl effect and this shimmer to it. I honestly, the camera is not doing them any justice, but I'm telling you, they have this shimmer to it and it is gorgeous. I love all the colors, but this is a copper color and I really liked it, so I chose this one to do this video. And this one is like magenta. Yeah, I think magenta. Yeah, I'm not sure, but I think it's magenta. All of them have this pearl shimmer to it, and you can use them in whatever cosmetic, in lipstick, nail polish, makeup, you name it, they can be used for it. This is a gold color and I really love it too. They're all so gorgeous. So this one guys, it's like white pearl and I really like the shimmer in this one too. These will make a gorgeous set. I really love it. All of them have this shimmer, and the thing is with them, they are very opaque, so when you're using them you don't have to use much. You can just use a small amount and all your acrylic will be perfect. You just have to know the ratio of what to use, the amount of acrylic to the amount of white, if you want them to be more, how should I say, opaque or whatever. But they are all gorgeous color guys. I really glad I chose these. So I have these empty containers. I also got them from AlieExpress and I will be mixing the products in them. The thing is, I don't want a lot, so I'm just mixing with this 10-gram containers. So I'll be using the Model 1's clear acrylic, and I'll also be using the white acrylic from Model 1's, and I will be adding some of these glitter in some of the acrylics. So I'll be using these teaspoons for measuring measuring and tablespoon. This is half. You have 1 teaspoonful, half teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon for measuring the acrylic. I'll be doing the gold one first, and I'll start off by using the clear. I won't be filling the tablespoon. I won't be filling it. I will just add maybe half or so in the container, and then I'll add if I need any more. I'll add some white acrylic to it to make it more opaque. You understand? More opaque, and to how I want it to look. Guys, I'll do this process to all of them, all the containers. I'm adding the white because I will be using this teaspoon for the colored, and I don't want the colors to mix. So that's why I'm adding all the white in all the containers. So guys, as you can see, I'm adding a small pinch, a small amount, and I poured a lot and I ended up throwing out some. So I use a small amount to add to it, and then I will shake it up. So guys, this is what it looks like after I've shake it all up, and you can see that there's like a little shimmer in it. I really love it. That I'm touching it like, yes, I like that color. Yeah, that was a beautiful color. So guys, with each step, every time you use the pigment, you have to clean the tablespoon or the measuring spoon, whatever you call it, because you don't want the colors to mix with each other. And I'm adding the clear acrylic to all of the containers. So after adding all the clear, I'll be using this magenta color, and I really love this color. I've always wanted this color in acrylic, so when I saw it in the pigment collection, I was excited. So the same step applied, a small amount in the container, and I will be doing this step to all of the pigments. So after all of this, I'm gonna shake, Sinora, shake your body then. I'll be shaking all of these colors until everything is well mixed together. And then guys, the excited part, we're going to swatch them and see what they look like. Maybe it's a surprise. Let's see. So first guys, I'm going to swatch the white pearl to see if I need to add more clear acrylic or not. So guys, I was testing it, and as you can see, it was a bit runny, so I'm going to add some more clear acrylic to it to see if the consistency will change. So guys, this time I'm going to swatch it on this swatch stick, and let's see. There's a difference. There's a big difference to how the first one was. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. They are gorgeous. I wish the camera could pick it up. It is so gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to do the gold one next, but I'm going to add clear acrylic to all of them because I don't want to have the same issue like I had with the first one. Yes guys. Guys, this gold color is gorgeous. The camera is not showing the what it actually looks like, and I'm so it's crazy how the camera is not picking up how it actually looks. This is gorgeous. This is a beautiful color, and I really like it a lot. This color is also a nice one as well, but it's not my favorite. I don't hate it, but it's not my favorite. It is a nice color. Guys, look at the magenta. Oh my gosh, now this is gorgeous. So now I can say my favorite, two of my favorites so far is the magenta, the gold. Magenta and the gold. Yes, the pearl white was pretty too, but the magenta, oh my gosh, there's just something about magenta. Yes, magenta, you're gorgeous. So for the last one we have the aquamarine, and it is a nice color as well. It is nice. So this is what the acrylic powders look like after swatching. So guys, I've decided to add some of the glitter, the fine glitter, to the pearl white, and I'm also going to add some glitter to the copper color mix to give it a hoof. Is it hoof? Well, to give it a kick. I can't find the word. Is it a kick, a pizzazz, or I don't know? One of them. Oh gosh. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like after adding the glitter. So guys, I will also be adding this glitter, this fine glitter, to this copper color, and it will blend perfectly. I think it will turn out very well together. And I'm also going to use some of the white glitter as well to mix them. Alright guys, so this is what they look like, the two of them compared side to side, and these one as well compared side to side. That's what they look like. So we've come to the end of this video guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. If you want me to do more videos like this, please leave a comment. Also let me know which is your favorite color guys. Love you so much. Thank you for your support. Bless up, stay safe, bye.